All right, guys, so we just finished getting 2 4-wheel parts. I'm really excited. Tonight, we're gonna be hosting a meet here. I'm really looking forward to the turnout for tonight. How's it going, man? Nice to meet you.
You too.
Mateo. Thank you for having us.
Glad to have you guys here. Hopefully we have a good turnout for tonight.
I'm starting to hear that a lot of people are reposting the event, so we'll see how that turns out, man. Thanks for having us.
Of course, my pleasure.
Alright guys, so we just finished coming out of 4-wheel parts. We're about to go eat breakfast. We haven't eaten since the morning. From there we have to book our hotel, drop off all the stuff that's on the truck, and then go drop off an SD card because all the footage that was on it is too much for the cloud for my team to get it. So, and then from there, just the meet's gonna start. So let's go eat. Hey, what's up, man? So I actually had to buy one of these drives. We're gonna put all the information and just ship it back to the team. 160 gigabytes of data. All right, time to transfer this over. Let's get it. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna overnight it. That right there is a hustler. Send it. So let's go send it. Is there a way we can overnight this?
To where?
It's gonna go to Florida.
Yes, we can.
Yes. All right. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck, guys.
Thank you. We did it, boys. Trying to book our hotel for the past 30 minutes. I'm gonna drop all this stuff. I'm gonna catch up on some emails, and then we gotta ride out, man. And the meet is on like 2 hours. We're running behind schedule, dude. Now it's time to go drop off all the crap in the hotel. We were lucky. It's almost as if I had planned it. The hotel's right next door. Finally, a good room. It's time to walk. All right, guys, we're all set up. It's time to get to work. But first, I need a coffee. Much better. All right, guys, it's time to go check out the meet. It is 4:48. The meet starts at 5. We're only 5 minutes away. Let's go see what turnout we get. Dude, let's do it. Some people already here. They beat us to the meet. And then from here, like I said, we're hanging out with Max Powell. Yeah. And then from there, we're going all the way to Utah. The video we did where we jumped that. Yeah. So I cracked my back from like the top of my neck all the way down, like in legit felt it. Yeah. Completely cracked. We had to redo the shoot of like me saying this was awesome. Yeah. Because I couldn't talk. My jaw was like completely closed, and I just couldn't talk. It's Expeditions Essentials, guys.
Got vlog inception going on right here.
We're about to reach 3,000 miles in less than 2 weeks. This is the Batman. It was, when we got it, it was fresh out of the oven. We only have 3 lights mounted onto it.
Right.
But basically positive, negative, and then these are all your switches.
Successful meet, dude.
Dude, it was a pretty good turnout, man. It was up to now, guys. Washington is beating everyone with the turnout.
I think I can make it.
That's you won the night.
Dude, I want to go further. You guys are telling me to stop.
Guys, this is Defconbrix built right here. You are not the winner, correct?
I'm not the winner. I bought it off of the winner.
Do you mind if I ask how much you bought it for?
I can't tell it because you guys gonna be jealous.
Alright, that's cool.
I didn't do anything
Do you
almost
mind
to this
opening
truck.
that up?
Yeah. So it's like, just like Sean Jennings who built this truck, I got my toys in here. Got a couple toys. This one. I mean, I'm going off-roading right now, so I'm kind of prepared. This is my kitchen. I got my grill back there, my spare tire. One thing I'm missing out on is a bumper with a swing-out tire carrier. This thing is awesome. Everything that I could ever dream for.
Hang out there. Let's check out the interior. Look, come see this thing. This thing is sweet.
I owe $3,500 on that truck right now.
It's all Sean Jennings, all him. Thanks to Mark also for the hookup.
Definitely built an awesome rig, man. He definitely built
This
it.
is my dream truck, and
Now you're rocking
I
it.
got my dream truck without having to build it. What can I say, for like more than half off?
That's crazy. That's awesome, dude. Congrats. Thanks for coming out.
It's been awesome.
Yeah.
You guys come back to Washington, man. We got plenty of places to explore.